If you're experiencing issues with the Fortnite update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable and strong connection is essential for downloading updates. You can test your connection by trying to browse the web or stream a video. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your console or PC can resolve update issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to see if the update continues. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clearing the cache can help. Power off the console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and start it up. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the Fortnite installation folder and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Check for server status. Visit the official Fortnite social media pages or website to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online to complete the update. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding with the reinstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Fortnite update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.